All right, guys, we're going to be on day 6 notes today. And in our warm-up, we have a simplified question. And we don't have rules for radicals, so we're going to change these back over. That's actually x to the 2/3. 3's in the correct, 3 goes in the bottom. Multiplied by 2 in the correct when they don't write a number. And so that's x to the 5/2. All divided by, there's a 1 exponent on there, so x to the 1/3. All right, so on the top, remember that when your operation is multiplication, the exponents actually get added, and you're going to add them in your calculator. So type in 2/3 plus 5/2, and we are going to end up math fracking that into x to the 19/6. Okay, on the bottom, we're going to keep that x to the 1/3. All right. Next up, when your operation is division, you subtract your exponent. So we're going to use our calculator again to type in 19/6 minus 1/3, hit enter, math fracket, and you end up with x to the 17/6. And that would be a great answer, except it's the simplest radical form. So we're going to turn this back into a radical with 6 in the crack and x to the 17th underneath. And again, that would be a fine answer, except it says simplest, and 17 is not divisible by 6. So we're going to break it up into two 6 root houses. And 17 is not divisible by 6, and neither is 16. So we're going to go to 15. And 15 doesn't work, so we're going to go to 14 divided by 6, which doesn't work. 13 divided by 6 doesn't work, but 12 divided by 6 does. And so the leftovers is x to the 5th. And then we're going to circle this and divide the exponent by the root number, and we get x squared. And we'll leave a little space and bring down the 6th root of x to the 5th. And there's my final answer in simplest radical form. All right, guys, I'll see you on day 6 notes.